Well, I'm here in Denver with Danny and Taylor. Look at my precious little granddaughter. Is this the first time that she's been in that little cuddly thing?
Yes. We're trying out baby wearing now that she's just a little bit bigger.
Okay, you guys, I have to look at her little bow, and almost every outfit that she wears has a matching bow to it.
So she likes it.
I think she likes it. She's kind of starting to lose her first little bit of hair, isn't she?
Yeah, she has cradle cap right now, and
okay.
So she'll kind of lose some of this hair, and her toddler hair will grow in. We'll see.
Okay, so tell us about your plans for Mountain Millennials now that you're a mom.
Yes. So let's see. Danny is officially 1 month old today.
Happy birthday, Danny!
So I cannot believe 4 weeks ago I gave birth to her. A part of me feels like it's flying by, but a part of me feels like I've had her forever.
And how's your tummy? Because you had to have a C-section.
Yeah, I had a C-section. I'm recovering well.
Okay.
I feel like I can lift things and move again. Okay. But yeah, I'm ready to get back on Mountain Millennials. It's been a month. Postpartum hit me pretty hard.
Did it? Yep.
We're getting back into a routine and the swing of things, and she is just so precious.
Okay, and now
we're getting ready for Halloween.
And we're getting ready for Halloween. So this is what we wanted to show you. Okay, so what is Danny going to be?
Okay, so Danny is going to be a little ghost for Halloween.
Now, I have to say, Danny still only does she weigh 7 pounds yet?
She's about 8 pounds now.
Oh, she's about 8 pounds.
Yes,
okay, but
yes.
that is still going to be pretty big on her.
Oh, yeah, and we'll just tie it up so she'll just be a little ghost.
A little ghost. Okay, so Danny is going to be a ghost. What is Daddy going to be?
So Daddy, we're going a little bit extra. So Daddy is going to be a Ghostbuster. So we got him this outfit, and he has a few work parties that some of him and his coworkers are dressing up as. Okay. So I kind of just decided Danny was going to be a ghost after the fact.
Okay.
So he's got all his little Ghostbuster backpack and everything.
Okay, so are you being a Ghostbuster too?
I'm going to be a ghost with Danny. So I got a ghost sweatshirt that we're going to match.
Okay, so a mama and baby ghost.
Yes.
Cutest ghost of all time. And where did you get all of this
All of
stuff?
This was on Amazon. So we'll post some links.
Okay, so you didn't even have to get out and go shopping or anything.
Nope.
Okay, nope. That is the luxury of online shopping. Goose is
also going to be a ghost.
Goose is going to be a ghost. And Goo, come here. Come here. Where's your sister?
Where's the baby?
Where's the baby? Where's your sister?
Is she up here?
Goose has been trying to figure it all out. She's acted out a little bit. Look at that tail going. She's acted out a little bit and her language of acting out is sourdough bread.
Yeah, she's gotten into some sourdough bread that my friend had made us and some hot dog buns.
Goose.
And yeah, we're just kind of rebelling a little bit. She's also been fighting for attention, which is okay, but she's also been sweet and giving her kisses.
Kisses, baby kiss, sister kisses. Yes. Well, let me tell you, I have this morning, I got to hold her for quite a while, and she and I both snoozed together, and it has just been the very, very best. This is a very brief visit, but I just couldn't wait. So we had to come up. We had to come up and say hello to Danny girl, who is now a month old today. A month old today. And so one more thing, and then I'll let you go, Mom. So what are kind of like your guidelines going to be? I know different influencers have different ideas about what they want to show and what they don't want to show, and we want to be very, very careful about that. So far, you're just not...
I'm definitely going to show her. I just don't want the page and our pages to become about... all about Danny.
Yeah.
Plus it opens the door to mom shaming, and I just cannot handle that right now. So
well, and for security reasons too. So just kind of oblique,
shots.
Kind of opaque, shots of her. But you're going to be back cooking and doing
yard work and hosting again.
Yes.
So yes. We'll get back on Instagram.
And I know for a fact that you were hounding Jamie yesterday because you want to get started on the area that's going to have your tulip bulbs in it. So,
yes. So hopefully we'll get that going over the next week or so and plant all those tulips for next spring and more to come.
And life goes on. Life goes on with a new little one. Thanks, Tay.
Thank you.
I see this one every time on the way to Linda's house. Maybe around Halloween, obviously, but... Question of the day, what movie is it from? These guys. This one's pretty cool. They obviously have a little more than just Halloween going on.
Thanks, John and Gary. We appreciate it so much. Little Danny.
I just brought this with us to our on this trip to Denver. Hold the other one up, Jen. Hold up the pink one.
So cute. We love it.
Very, very cute. Danny likes it too.
Yes,
Danny
can't
likes
wait
it
till she
too.
can wear it.
I know.
As you can see, they've done some decorating. Pretty neat. I think we're what it's called. Oh my god, they're not in the ground too.